Alright, so my air conditioning will only activate once I hit a speed bump. It's a nice new little layer of challenge to the dash. I see a speed bump over there, so let's try to activate air conditioning. Let's do this. Let's hit the speed bump. Ready? Okay, that speed bump is not big enough. Come on. Okay, the speed bump hack stopped working, so I dipped into AutoZone and got the part I need to fix the air conditioning. And I'm not a rocket scientist, so I'm gonna have to find a space station around here so they can install this for me. Apparently they don't want to install my part for me because they can't warranty it. I'm like, dude, I don't care, just install the part. They're like, nope, sorry. All right, they don't care. That's literally 108 degrees outside, and they won't install the part to fix my air conditioning. All right, the space station we went to, the other space station we went to really helped us out. They kind of told us that the part that we got is not the part that we need, so we returned that part to AutoZone. The part that we need is going to be much more expensive, cost much more than what we have. So looks like I'm just going to be trying to survive in the heat for a few days. That's just the way the wheel turns sometimes. It's just the way the wheel turns. Win some, you lose some. What can you do? If you think that this video is worth 1 penny, click the like button down below. If you think it's worth 2 pennies, click the subscribe button down below. And if you think it's worth 3 pennies, go ahead and share it with somebody else. Because you paid nothing to watch this. Nothing. Alright, I'm not a very happy camper right now, but we've got a job to do. We've got dashes to make and food to deliver.
Welcome to rallies with lifetime.
Okay, that's gonna be the end of our day in Little Rock, Arkansas. I didn't even mention that we were in Little Rock. I don't know, did I? I don't know. We were in Little Rock today. Not a very impressive town. I'd say it's like, I don't know, there's not really much to see there. I didn't really get down by the water much, so maybe there's more to see down by the water, on the water side. Yeah, but nothing that really makes me want to come back and check it out a second time. You know, today was a success, and by a success I mean I didn't die. Also, I figured out that if I smack my dashboard just right in the very right spot, I can get the air conditioning to turn on. So that is a win. You know, who knows? Maybe I am a rocket scientist.